Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa News Up to Date. Ang topic po natin ngayong gabing ito ay tungkol po sa advisory na inilabas ng Securities and Exchange Commission laban po sa TradeTech Asia. The Commission has received reports and information that individuals or group of persons representing an entity named TradeTech Asia are enticing the public to invest their money in the said entity with the promise of high monetary rewards or profits. Based on information gathered and verified by the Commission, TradeTech Asia entices the public by offering an investment opportunity where for an investment of 300 pesos up to 50,000 pesos, the investor will earn 300% or 900 pesos up to 150,000 pesos in just 24 days. In addition, an investor will also earn from their affiliate program 15% commission on the first level, 3% for the second, 2% for the third, and 1% from 4th up to 8th level. So mga kababayan, makikita nyo, Ponzi scheme po yan TradeTech Asia dahil too good to be true ang pangakong kitaan. Triple your money sa loob lang ng 24 days, napaka-imposible po niyan. Dahil yun pong double your money sa loob lang ng isang buwan ay napaka-imposible, lalo na po yan triple your money sa loob lang ng 24 days. Tapos meron pa silang DRB na 15%. Mga kababayan, sigurado pong scam yan TradeTech Asia. Briefly, an investment contract exists when there is an investment or placement of money in a common enterprise with a reasonable expectation of profits to be derived from the efforts of others, which is prominent in the scheme of TradeTech Asia. As the above described scheme involves the sale of securities to the public, the Securities Regulation Code or SRC requires that these securities are duly registered and that the concerned entities and or its agents have appropriate registration and or license to sell such securities to the public pursuant to Section 8 and 28 of the SRC. The public is hereby informed that TradeTech Asia is not registered with the Commission, hence is not authorized to offer, solicit, sell, or distribute any investment or securities to the public. Such activities require a secondary license from the Commission, and the securities or investment product should likewise be registered with the SEC before they can be offered or sold to the public under Sections 8 and 12 of the Securities Regulation Code or SRC. Moreover, the investment scheme being offered by TradeTech Asia has the characteristics of a Ponzi scheme, where monies from new investors are used in paying fake profits to prior investors and is designed mainly to favor its top recruiters and prior risk takers and is detrimental to subsequent members in case of scarcity of new investors. The offering and selling of securities in the form of investment contracts using the Ponzi scheme, which is fraudulent and unsustainable, is not a registrable security. The Commission will not issue a license to sell securities to the public, to persons, or entities that are engaged in this business or scheme. Further, RA number 11765 or the Financial Products and Services Consumer Protection Act or FCPA also prohibits investment fraud, which is defined under the law as any form of deceptive solicitation of investments from the public, which includes Ponzi schemes and such other schemes involving the promise or offer of profits or returns sourced from the investments or contribution made by the investors themselves and the offering or selling of investment schemes to the public without a license or permit from the SEC. Pinalalahanan po ng SEC ang publiko na wag na pong mag-invest at tumigil na po sa pag-invest sa mga investment scheme na ino-offer po ng TradeTech Asia pati na rin ng mga representatives nito. Mga kababayan, yan pong TradeTech Asia ay isa pong Ponzi scam. Kaya po umiwas na po kayo dyan. At kung kayo po ay nakapag-invest na dyan, mag-withdraw na po kayo. At tumigil na rin po kayo sa pagre-recruit dahil yan po ay isang scam at maaari po yan tumaob anytime. Kaya kailangan iwasan na po ninyo at mag-withdraw na po kayo kung kayo po ay nakapag-invest dyan. At kung kayo po ay nagre-recruit, tumigil na po kayo. Huwag na po kayo magre-recruit dahil kawawa po yung mga mare-recruit nyo dahil baka sila amabutan ng pagsasara ng TradeTech Asia. At may babala din po ang SEC para po doon sa mga umaaktong salesmen, brokers, dealers, agents, representatives, promoters, operators, recruiters, uplines, influencers, endorsers, abettors, and enablers of TradeTech Asia in selling or convincing people to invest in their investment schemes, including solicitations or recruitments through the internet, may likewise be prosecuted and held criminally liable under Section 11 of the FCPA and Section 28 of the SRC, which are both penalized separately with a maximum fine of 5 million pesos or maximum penalty of 21 years imprisonment or both pursuant to Section 73 of the SRC. Kung meron po kayong impormasyon tungkol po sa operasyon ng TradeTech Asia, ay pwede nyo pong isend ang inyong reports sa pamamagitan po ng email, sa email po ng Enforcement and Investor Protection Department. Ang kanilang email po ay epd@sec.gov.ph at pwede nyo rin pong bisitahin ang kanilang opisina sa 9th floor, the SEC Headquarters, 7907, Makati Avenue, Salcedo Village, Barangay Bel Air, Makati City. Ito pong advisory ay inilabas noong June 13, 2024. Mga kababayan, kumpirmado po natin na scam po ang TradeTech Asia. At ngayon po ay na-issue na po sila ng advisory ng SEC. Kaya po, umiwas na po kayo dyan. Huwag po kayong magpapahype doon sa mga recruiters na sinasabi merong payout kaya legit. Hindi po yan legit. Scam po ang TradeTech Asia at hinahype lang po kayo. Maaari sa umpisa ay merong payout pero alam naman natin yung mga scam companies ay hinahype lang kayo. At kapag naabot na po nila yung quota nila, bigla po nila ipiprease yung mga accounts, gagawa po ng kung ano-anong dahilan hanggang sa tuluyan na pong tumakbo. At may mga scam companies pa po na nanghihingi pa ng mga fees. May mga verification fee, may mga withdrawal fee, may mga tax daw kuno, at syempre yung iba ay nauuto. Para makuha yung pera nila, nagbabayad sila nung fee na hinihingi ng scam company. Ang hindi nila alam ay hindi rin pala ibabalik sa kanila yung pera. Kaya lalo lang lumaki ang nawala sa kanilang pera. Kaya po mga kababayan, kapag meron pong mga fee na hinihingi na ang isang scam company para daw ma-withdraw mo yung pera mo, ay patakbo na po yan at wag po kayong magbabayad. Kaya po mga kababayan, habang may panahon pa po, mag-withdraw na po kayo dyan sa TradeTech Asia at umiwas na po kayo sa mga Ponzi scams. Para po makaiwas kayo sa mga scams, lagi nyo pong i-check yung mga reviews po natin dito po sa News Up to Date YouTube channel, pati na rin po doon po sa YouTube channel ni Shemny Anyol, yung Scam Alert Philippines, pati na rin yung kanyang Facebook page. At pwede nyo rin pong i-check ang website ng SEC dahil naglalabas po sila ng mga advisories. At kung meron pong mga nag-aalok sa inyo na investments, dapat po i-verify po ninyo muna sa SEC kung yung kumpanya ba na nag-aalok sa inyo na investment ay may secondary license. Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa aking channel. God bless po.